Hi, my name is Kimberly Mann. On the behalf of expertvillage.com, we're going to be talking about common problems. If you'd like to contact me, you can reach me at 818-720-1342. Everyday common problems, you get, the stress, the tension, and the big number one I get is migraines. Migraines consist of up here in the head part, and when you have a tension there and can't see or just focus, I would suggest that you definitely want to go get an adjustment. That will alleviate and help you with chronic fatigue area of just putting the whole body into alignment. And when that happens, your body will start to heal itself and just lessen up on the tension and just the lights and stuff in your everyday normal segment. And that really puts a stress on the whole body, just not your head, your eyes, and everything else that works with it.